Orchard Park Elementary School. Happy Tuesday to everyone. Welcome back to school once again. Today is Tuesday, August 12th. Congratulations to everyone. Today was Independence Day. You came to school independently, walking to your classrooms. So very proud of you and all the ways you're showing to be a great student here at Orchard Park. I know we are in for a wonderful year together. We always start our morning message taking a look at our birthday list. Happy birthday today to Virginia Grace and Maddie. Also want to say happy birthday to Wyatt and Farah and Logan. I hope each of you have an amazing birthday. What's for lunch? Your options today in the cafeteria. Tray number 1 is a hamburger. Tray number 2 is the cracker stacker. And tray number 3 is the soy butter lunchbox. Students and staff, thanks for getting those lunch choices completed and submitted first thing this morning. Be reminded that today's related arts color is orange. Orange related arts. Students, we've been talking about pride. I'm so very proud of you and all the ways you have begun to show pride each and every day and throughout the day all over our school. What happens when you excel with pride? Well, hopefully you've received one of these, an Eagle ticket. Boys and girls, this is your currency. This is your way to collect all the different examples of how adults have seen you showing pride here at our school. You should have a way to store that Eagle ticket in an envelope or some other method that your teacher has given you in your classroom. Be sure you're keeping up with those Eagle tickets because we have a school store. And boys and girls, the school store will open next week. You can see here on the screen, beginning on Monday, second grade students will have a chance to shop. And then later in the week, first grade and kindergarten. Boys and girls, all you have to do, save your Eagle tickets and put them in bundles of 10. So go ahead and count those Eagle tickets and save them in bundles of 10 because, check this out, you will use bundles of 10 to make your purchases in our school store. We'll have all the school store items displayed in the window right outside the library so you can see all the things for purchase. We've also got them listed here on the screen, but they're all categorized in groups of 10. So be sure you collect those tickets, save up, and when it's your grade levels turn, you can go to the school store. That will be open before school from 7:05 to 7:30. So be sure you get to school on time on your assigned day so you can make your purchases. Don't forget, 4th and 5th grade students, tomorrow's the final day. If you want to participate as a Shelfie, talk to Miss Pollock and get those applications turned in. Students, we've been talking about a moment of silence as we begin our day. And as we begin this day, I want to remind you of the question I asked yesterday. Do you remember the question? I said, how are you feeling? Well, here at Orchard Park, we use a tool called the mood meter to help us answer this. Lots of colors and lots of things on the screen, but 2 things I want you to think about, boys and girls. Energy and pleasantness. Energy is like a battery. A battery that's really full has lots of energy, and a battery that's empty has really low energy. I also want you to think about pleasantness. Pleasantness. When you have really high pleasantness, we think about thumbs up, and when our pleasantness might be low, we think of thumbs down. And that can be on our range. Think about that. We're going to transition to a moment of silence. I want you to think about your energy, and I want you to think about your pleasantness. And we will continue to talk about the mood meter throughout the school year. But let's take a moment now to begin our day with this moment of silence. Thank you. I now invite you to stand where you're located, face the flag in your classroom, and let's begin our day by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. Let's get seated and settled for a terrific Tuesday here at Orchard Park Elementary School. Let's soar high with pride and make today a great day.